So I'm Boris Wang, but it's English name. I have my Chinese name, but I think maybe you are not very interested. But it's okay, you can call me Boris. So I'm a quality manager in Lyanda, so which is a company of Somfy Group. I joined Lyanda in 2017 and became a quality manager in 2018. We are lack of the basic quality mindset and tools to usage. For example, the AD. From the project managers to the project members, we are lack of the skills to manage to be a good project. Thanks Ron very much. I think I worked with him. It's very good and very efficiently. And so we are working for 2 or 3 years. I think we start with 3 topics ongoing. One is AD, training and coaching. So we practice, we do the exercise. He will teach us what is the tools inside the AD and how we use it. And when we do the AD, so he will point out what is the weak points and what is the strong points. So it is grateful to use it. Another way it is the audit. We can have the good audit from the project process to the product. So thanks Ron very much. His support my team and also the production team. So we also get the fully support from Ron on the project management. So he gave us the coaching on the DMO process. We call it DMO process, is develop and maintenance offer process. So this is the main develop process in Somfy. Also, he gave the training on the project managers on the project manager tools like the CCPM and the analysis methods. Actually, I see many of the improvement. So the mindset change and behavior change, it is a huge change for the teams. For the FC PPM, it is customer PPM. It's around 8,000, but here it is less than 2,000. So it's big change. From the supplier quality, we have the 17,000. Here it is less than 2,000. So we can see the very, very big change. Thanks Ron very much. I think I worked with him. It's very good and very efficient.